Hey, I want to do a cold start video on the Targa. This is the 3.6 Varioramm out of the 993, and engine's basically ice cold, been sitting for a couple weeks. So I'm going to give it a start. It starts different than most cars. I don't know if it's the combination of the starter and this motor or what it is, but kind of tends to do a big one chug and then act like it's not going to start, and then boom, fires up. So hopefully that's what she does. It's the normal thing. Sometimes it takes a second try, but we'll see. Starts that easy, and that's the typical starting procedure for this car for some reason. Always idles beautifully, and so yeah, that's a cold start. I'm going to try and do a driving video at some point. I haven't had a chance to get the car out of here. Got a couple cars blocking it in I'm having some trouble with, but anyway, there you go. Thank you.